Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rafli and my student registration number is R1B123042. In this video, my friends and I from Group 4 will give 10 words related to biogeography and will combine every two words to make a sentence. And strike for me, the first two words are flora and fauna, which will become a sentence, namely flora and fauna in tropical forest depend on each other to maintain the balance of the ecosystem. Number two is the word migration and animal, which will become a sentence. Namely, animal migration is a strategy to find a better habitat. Number three are the words evolution and genetic, which will from a sentence, namely genetic evolution plays an important role in the formation of species. Number four is the word environment and growth, which will from a sentence, namely a healthy environment really supports to grow of plants and animals in an ecosystem. And the last two words, namely food chain and prey, will from a sentence, namely the food chain show the relationship between predators and prey in a balanced ecosystem. Okay, those are some of my words and sentences related to biogeography. Next, I will give the other members of Group 4 the opportunity to give several words and sentences related to biography. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Darmini and my student registration number is R1B1 23022. Here I will give you 10 words and will combine them into 5 sentences. Straight away, that's a number one ecological zone. Ecological zone in which plant and animal species adapt to specific physical and climatic conditions. For explain, tropical rainforests, ecological zones have high rainfall, warm temperature, and abundant biodiversity. Number two, conservation is carried out to maintain and protect natural resources and biodiversity so that they remain sustainable for future generations. This includes measures such as reforestation, reducing the use of plastic, and protecting the habitats of endangered animals. Number 3. Genetic biodiversity refers to the genetic variation occurrence with species in an ecosystem, which is essential for fostering the resilience and adaptation of organisms to environmental change. For example, in plant population generation diversity allows some individuals to develop resistance to pests and disease, which is important for the survival of the population. Number four, paleobiography studies the geographic distribution of organisms in the past based on fossil and geological data as well as how environmental and climate change affects this distribution patterns by analyzing rock layers and fossil found in various locations. This scientists can identify how certain species adapted to change conditions such as price of inflation or global warming. Number 5. Fragmentation. Fragmentation in ecology refers to the breaking up of a prefolith intake habitat into smaller, isolated pitches, often as a result of human activities such as urbanization, road building, and agriculture. Maybe those are just a few words and sentences for me related to biogeography. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Larsati and my student registration number is R1B1 23 013. Here I will give you 10 words and will copy 2 words to make us start as tension and strike from me. The first two words are ecosystem and habitat, which will from attention. Namely, a healthy ecosystem depends on the diversity of habitat within it. Number two is the word distribution and species, which will become a sentence. Namely, the distribution of species in a R can be influenced by environmental factors and interaction between organisms. Number three is the word bioma and adaptation, which will become a sentence. Namely, each bioma has unique characteristic and drive varying form of adaptation in the organisms that live within it. Number four is the word conversation and diversity, which will form a sentence. Namely, conversation is very important to keep biodiversity blacking and sustainably. And the last two words, namely climate and ecology, will form a sentence. Namely, climate change has a significant impact on ecology, affecting interaction patterns between species and the sustainability of ecosystem. Maybe those are just a few words and a sentence from me related to biogeography. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aryati Patiran with stem R1B121103. I am in making this video to introduce 10 biogeography words in 5 sentences using English. First, I will mention 10 biogeography words in English. Number 1, ecology. In English, ecology. Number 2, populasi. In English, population. Number 3, tumbuhan. In English, plant. Number 4, respirasi. In English, respiration. Number 5, primita. In English, primita. Number 6, analytis. In English, analytical. Number 7, sejarah. In English, history. Number 8, phylogeography. In English, phylogeography. Number 9, symbiosis. In English, symbiosis. Number 10, konsumen. In English, konsumen. Next, I will mention 5 biogeography sentences in English. Number 1, perubahan iklim bersifat ekologis. In English, climate change is ecological. 2, tumbuhan itu terlihat cantik. In English, the plant looks beautiful. Number 3, saya belajar sejarah di perguruan tinggi. In English, I studied history in college. Number 4, burung itu hidup bersimbiosis dengan kudanil. In English, the bird is in symbiosis with the hippos. Number 5, ada banyak populasi hewan dan manusia dalam suatu jaring-jaring makanan. In English, there are many population of animals and human in a food web. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Laude Rizky. And study RB R1 B1 21 3020 time. And time is geometry of living organism interacting waiting their environment. 2. Habitat is a natural environment where an organism less and service proving essential organisms should and food water and shelter. Definite habitat for density and wilder verse Lofgen and mining biodiversity. Flora, stone, heather plant live on in particular region of Racime Plania. Still role in the ecosystem is illustrated within variety of species from towering trees to delicate flowers and contributing to the benefit of the different the flora non-name spreading but also friends program to station as follows. Fauna clearance almond difference and expression habitat or adjacent respecting ideal. Some of biodiversity and nature expression beyond is smelty. Desinto the largely nameless players and their role in maintaining ecological balance, protection, dispersal, and predation variety are in Wilta for sustain exertimes. Plastic found is essential for pursuing the intersection web of life on core planting. As species is a group of organisms that have interact and process.